Alright, what's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would close your moonroof or open it if it won't work because your switch is bad. The first thing you'll have to do is look like on this vehicle, it has like this actual, I guess it's like the control panel right here. So most of them you'll have a spot in it where you'll have like a screw or something. This one happens to be back here, which takes a Phillips head screw. Alright folks, so I pretty much unloosened the screw on the control panel, which is back here. Next thing that I'm going to do is the screw that came out of here. The next thing I'm going to do is kind of pull. All of them are going to be different, so you got to figure out how to take down your control panel for your moonroof. What I'm going to do is just kind of pull on the front corners of this one, and it makes it snap down. And I have one in the back I kind of want to pull on to kind of unsnap it like that. And once I have it loose like that, what you'll see now inside of here is this wire right here. Just basically look where your switch is at and then look directly behind it to whatever wire is plugged onto your switch. And then this one is right here, so I'm going to be removing this switch. Alright folks, now that I have this wire right here removed, what I did was I took my control panel and pretty much just snapped it back in to the front corner, because you don't want to have your control panel basically hanging by those thin wires because it could break it. So now that I have this down, this right here is basically what my switch is connected into that's actually controlling my moonroof. So if this switch right here goes bad, it's not going to work right. So the next thing that you want to do is, what I have is like a little piece of wire that I pretty much took off of a old phone charger, anything like that I just got. And I'm basically going to be jumping these holes. First thing what you want to do is turn the power on to your vehicle. You don't have to have it in start. Just make it to where basically your lights and stuff come on and all that. Well, basically if you can control your windows, if the windows in your vehicle go up and down, that means you got power also going to your sun, basically sun/moonroof. The first thing that you're going to want to do is take these bottom slots. All cars will be different, but if you're working on a Chevy vehicle, it'll probably work the same. I stuck the wire into blank slot. I put it into the slot where it has like a little metal piece on the bottom row. Then I'm taking the top part of it and I'm gonna stick it into the first hole from this side right here. Basically from the side coming from the passenger side, so I'm starting at. So the first hole from the passenger side and the first hole from the passenger side on the top. Making sure that your little piece that will snap in to your switch is facing the bottom. So now I'm about ready to hit this and it should close the moonroof. Yeah, you see that? I'm just holding it. If I take it out, it stops. Stick it back in, it's closing. Alright, so it's all the way closed. And if your moonroof won't open for some reason because the switch is bad, then what you want to do is stick it in the two holes that's side by side. And you'll see it'll open it. Stop. Yeah, see it's opening it now because I stuck it in that one. So to close the moonroof, I'm leaving it in that one hole right here. And I put it in the first one, and I'm just letting it set until it completely closes up. Alright, now it's completely closed. Yeah, see now that opened up the sunroof part of it. So to close that part, I'm holding it like that. So alright folks, and once you have that done, it also will tell you that there's something wrong with your switch right here, it's bad. So what you need to do now is go ahead and change out your switch and your sunroof should be working fine. And once you're done with that, all you got to do now is pop it down, take your piece that you unplugged from out of here and basically just plug it back in just by taking it and pushing it back in. Just push it back in until it snaps. And that's it. Then once you have that done, go ahead and reinstall your control panel and you'll be good. Alright folks, once again, this is how you will open or close your sunroof or moonroof when it won't open. This process will also work with your actual windows itself. It's just you got to take off your actual window, your door window control panel, and you'll be able to do the same jumping method to get your windows up and down also. All right, folks, please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.